Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is not necessary. So in this video, I'm going to explain introduction about Python. Okay. So first, let me see who created Python and in which year he has created. Okay. The Python has been developed or created by Guido van Rossum. Okay, and released in 1991. Okay, now let's see why we have to learn Python. Okay, so Python is very simple language compared to other languages, like compared to C, like Java. Python is one of the most easiest language. It has simple syntax. Okay, and the length of code is very small. So compared to other languages, here the length will be very small. Okay, because it has some many built-in functions and libraries are available. Okay, and complex problem can be solved very easily. Okay, by using many libraries and built-in functions, we can solve the complex problem in very easy methods. Okay, that's why we have to use Python. Okay, now let's see what are the features are available in Python. Okay, so the first point I explained, it's simple to learn. Okay, it's simple to learn, write and code. Okay, and the second point is it's very important, it's an open source. Okay, open source is nothing but it can be easily downloaded and installed in any operating system. Okay, that is nothing but an open source. Okay, it's freely available. Okay, the next point is portable. Portable is nothing but here it runs in different platform, like it don't want any it should not applicable to should run in only this particular platform. It can take multiple platform, like it can take different platform to execute the code. Okay, that is nothing but portability. Okay, and Python is very high level language and it's one of the most high level programming language, Python. Okay, and it is an interpreter. So basically interpreter is nothing but checking of code line by line. Okay, it's known as interpreter. Okay, now let's see object oriented and procedure oriented. Basically Python supports both object oriented and procedure oriented languages. Okay, it's very important. And the last point is there are 200 plus standard libraries are available in Python. Okay, yeah, so these are the like features, some of the features like which are available in Python. Okay, yeah, so now let's see the applications of Python, like where and all the Python will be used. Let's see these things. Okay, the first one is websites. To develop websites and to web applications will be using Python, like internet like backend will be using this Python. Okay, and GUI is nothing but a graphical user interface, like for that purpose like we'll be using an Python. And artificial intelligence, machine learning. So nowadays, like artificial intelligence and machine learning are most or like millions of people are using this. Okay, and image processing applications and business applications and like creating and developing games and 3D graphics. Okay, and network programming and databases, like accessing of data. Okay, so these are the applications which are used by the Python. Okay, yeah, so hope you guys understood the applications of Python, like vendor we'll be using and the what are the features are available in Python and basically why we have to use this Python. Okay, yeah, so that's all for the video. If you still have any doubts regarding the introduction, please comment below. I will be answering all your doubts. Okay, yeah, thank you.